Hello children, today we are going to learn some new words. Yacht. Yacht sails on water. Yolk. Yolk is healthy to eat. This is yo-yo. Children love to play with yo-yo. Oh, I've taken out yellow color from the box. It's my favorite color. This is yarn. My mother knits a sweater for me from yarn. Yoga. We do yoga to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Now look who's here. Yak. Yak has long hair and long horns. This is yogurt. I love to try different flavors of yogurt. Yawn. When we get up in the morning or when we feel sleepy at night, we yawn. Yes, this is what we say when we agree to something. Yes. YouTube. It's an application in our mobile phone and we find lots of information on it. This is yard. It's a huge ground which is fenced. Children, have you noticed something? All these pictures begin with the same letter Y, and its sound is y. Y. Let's recall the words. Y, yo-yo, y, yellow, y, yacht, y, yolk, y, yak, y, yoga, y, yogurt, y, yarn, y, yawn, y, yard, y, yes, y, YouTube. So now you all know that all these words begin with letter Y. Y. Y is the sound. Let's see some more words. Boy, toy. In these words, the letter Y is in the end. Can you see that? Now look for more such words. Bye.